So you're welcome once more to Mathematics and EPH. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there, okay, that needs to improve his or her skill in maths. Alright, so let's look at this problem. It's on trigonometric and it says we should solve sine theta is equals to tan theta. Now the first thing I want to recognize is tan theta, in trigonometry has a relationship with sine what? Theta. So tan theta is, normally written as sine theta over what? Cos theta. Okay? So this is an identity you want to what? Be familiar with. Alright? So from the problem, we can simply, instead of tan theta, we are going to substitute, sine theta divided by cos theta into this. Now let's substitute it and see. So we are having sine theta is equals to what? We have sine theta divided by what? Cos theta. So in place of tan theta, we have substituted sine theta divided by what? Cos theta. The next thing is you want to make this a ratio. So sine theta over 1, which is the sine theta. Then from this, I think we can cross multiply. Okay. So our step here is to cross multiply. So we cross multiply, what will this give us? We have this multiply this, so we have sine theta multiply cos theta, which is equals to 1 multiply what? Sine theta. So all this is going to give us what? We have sine theta multiply cos theta. 1 times this is still what? Sine theta. From this point, we have to make what? Our cos theta, the subject to stand on the left hand side. Now, how do we do that? I'm going to divide this by what? Sine theta. And I'm also going to divide this by sine theta. So this will cancel out. This is 1, 1. So we are left with what? Cos theta, okay, is equals to what? Now for this can also cancel out. This is 1 over 1, okay? So 1 divided by 1 is still 1, all right? So how do we find theta? We are going to simply take the cos inverse of both sides, all right? So the cos inverse of, 1 gives us the value of what? Theta. And the cos inverse of 1 we know is what? 0 degree. So that gives us the solution to this problem. You can as well do well to substitute, theta as 0 degree into this, so you can use your calculator to check if sine 0 is equals to what? Tan 0. So that gives us the simple solution to this problem. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.